In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D text effect in Canva. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through transforming your plain text into something that pops right off the page using Canva's built-in effects. So, whether you're designing for a presentation, social media, or just adding a special touch to your project, this technique is sure to enhance your designs. To start, open up Canva and select the design where you want to add 3D text. If you haven't already added text to your design, go ahead and do that now. Once your text is on the canvas, click on it to select it. This is your base to apply the stunning 3D effect. Next, you'll look towards the top of your screen where you can see several options for customizing your text. Find the effects button and click on it. This is where the magic begins. Canva offers a range of effects that can alter the appearance of your text, but for today, we'll focus on creating a 3D look. Once you're inside the effects panel, navigate to the shadow option. When you click on it, your text will immediately start to look a bit different, and this is where the fun begins. The shadow effect is essential for creating depth, giving your text that desired 3D appearance. Now it's time to tweak the shadow properties for optimal effect. First, adjust the offset to 76. This alteration changes how far the shadow is from the text, simulating the depth you want to achieve. You'll notice that the text and its shadow begin to separate visually, giving it that pop off the page look. The next step is adjusting the direction of the shadow. Set this to -74. This adjustment changes the angle at which the shadow falls, and small modifications here can significantly change the overall look of the 3D effect. Picture this as deciding which direction a light source is casting your text's shadow. Following this, you'll want to set the blur to 3. A lower blur setting ensures that the shadow remains sharp and clean rather than soft and diffused. This sharpness further accentuates the illusion of your text standing out from the background. Lastly, adjust the transparency to 57. The transparency setting dictates how opaque the shadow appears. A lower transparency will make it less prominent, while a higher value will make it more striking. At 57, you strike a nice balance, ensuring the shadow is noticeable but not overpowering. There you have it. With these settings, your text should now possess a captivating 3D effect that enhances the overall aesthetic of your design. Feel free to play around with these settings further to tailor the effect to your specific needs or tastes. Happy designing!